Imagine discovering that your solar panels could be producing noticeably more electricity without buying a single new panel. Most solar owners assume that once the system is installed, the job is done. But the truth is that efficiency slowly drops because of simple problems almost nobody pays attention to. The dirt, the heat, the shade, the poor monitoring, or even wiring mistakes can quietly steal a surprisingly a lot of amount of power every single day. And the good news is that many of these losses are completely preventable. And if you're do it yourself solar enthusiast looking to squeeze every possible watt from your existing system, these are the solar efficiency hacks that actually work for me, okay? So let's start with the simplest improvement of all, keeping your panels clean. It sounds too obvious, all right? But even a thin layer of dust, pollen, bird droppings, or tree sap can reduce production significantly. And in dry climates, months of accumulation of dust can cut output by well over 10%. And while heavy bird droppings can block individual cells enough to create localized hotspots, and the best cleaning method is surprisingly basic too. Use a soft water if possible, which is kind of hard when you're living off grid. A lot of people don't have soft water, but if you can use that, please try to do so. And a microfiber you brush or a sponge, and avoid abrasive cleaners or pressure washers that could damage the seals. Clean early in the morning or late in the evening when the glass is cool to avoid that thermal shock as well. You don't want to introduce that cold water to a hot panel. You could do some damage. Next comes the biggest enemy of solar efficiency that many people overlook too. It's the heat. Solar panels actually become less efficient as they get hotter. That bright sunlight creates that electricity, but excessive temperatures, it also reduces that voltage, meaning your panels generate less power exactly when the sun is at its strongest peak. While you cannot control the weather, you can improve the airflow underneath roof mounted panels. If you're designing a new system, leave adequate ventilation space beneath the modules instead of mounting them flush against the roof. That better airflow allows that excessive heat to dissipate naturally and improving the performance throughout the hot summer afternoons. Another overlooked efficiency killer is partially shading. People often think that because only a small corner of one panel is shaded, the impact is minimal, but in reality, depending on how the panels are wired, one shaded section can reduce the output of an entire string, which your array throughout different seasons because shadows move dramatically as the sun changes positions during the year. Trim them branches before they become a problem. Relocate the antenna or decorative objects if possible. And remember that even a new satellite dish installed years later can unexpectedly reduce that production. So monitoring is another hack that pays for itself almost immediately. Many people install solar panels and they check their app during the first week and then they rarely look at it again. That monitoring app system allows you to spot production drops before they become expensive problems. So if one panel suddenly begins producing less than the others, you can investigate before losing months of energy. Create a habit of checking production weekly instead of waiting until that electric bill finally arrives. Another surprisingly effective upgrade involves reflective surfaces around your array. That light colored roofing material or reflective ground coverings can slightly increase the amount of diffuse sunlight that reaches your panels. While this will not double your production, every additional percentage matters when you're trying to maximize that long term output. And if you're planning a roof replacement or anyway, choosing a lighter material may provide a small but measurable efficiency advantage. So let's talk about the wiring because this is where many do it yourself installers unknowingly lose valuable power. Long cable runs increase the resistance, causing voltage drops that waste electricity before it even reaches your inverter. Using appropriately sized wire for the distance and the current involved minimizes these losses. Never undersize your cables simply to save money because the energy wasted over the life of the system usually exceeds the initial savings. So that loose electrical connection also creates resistance and heat, reducing the efficiency while increasing the safety risk. So periodically, inspect the accessible connections according to the manufacturer's recommendations and always disconnect the power safely before performing the maintenance. And speaking of inverters, keeping them cool is another practical efficiency hack. Inverters also lose efficiency when they overheat and may even throttle output to protect that internal components. Install them in shaded, well ventilated locations whenever possible. Instead of placing them direct in afternoon sunlight, a cooler inverter generally operates more efficiently and often lasts longer as well. And if your inverter includes cooling vents, keep them free of the dust and the debris to maintain that proper airflow. Another common mistake is ignoring that panel tilt. If your mounting system allows seasonal adjustments, changing the angle a few times each year can noticeably improve the annual energy production. A steeper angle generally favors winter generations when the sun sinks lower in the sky, while a shallow angle captures more sun in the summertime. So, fixed systems are simpler, but adjustable mounts offer dedicated do it yourself enthusiasts another opportunity to harvest extra energy throughout the year. Battery owners have additional opportunities to improve efficiency. Lithium batteries perform best when recommended temperatures ranges are in their favor. So avoid placing them in extremely hot garages or freezing outdoor enclosures unless you are specifically designed for those conditions. Proper battery management settings also prevent unnecessarily cycling that can reduce the long term capacity. And if your inverter allows customization, review the manufacturer's recommendations instead of relying solely on default settings. Don't overlook the vegetation around, the ground mounted arrays either. Tall grass and weeds, they restrict the airflow beneath the panels, increase the operating temperature, and inviting pests that may chew on the wiring. Keeping the area trimmed improve the ventilation while making inspections easier. It's a simple maintenance task that takes very little time, but supports better long-term performance. And one of the smartest efficiency hacks has nothing to do with the panels themselves. Reduce household electricity consumption during evening hours and shift the energy intensive tasks into peak solar production periods. You know that run the dishwasher, washing machine, water heater, or electric vehicle charger when your panels are generating abundant electricity instead of afternoon sunset. The increased self-consumption, reduced reliance on the grid, and the extracts more value from every kilowatt your system produces. And weather awareness is another underrated tool. Compare daily production with weather conditions instead of assuming every drop indicates equipment failure. And over time, you'll recognize normal seasonal patterns and quickly identify unusual declines that deserve investigation. Keeping a simple production log makes these trends much easier to spot. And finally, don't ignore the routine visual inspections. Every few months, walk around your system and look for cracked glass, discoloration, loose mounting hardware, damaged conduit, animal nest, or signs of corrosion. The most serious problems begins as small issues that are inexpensive to fix when caught early, but costly if it's ignored. So the solar panels are remarkably reliable, but no system is completely maintenance free. The biggest takeaway is that maximizing solar efficiency isn't about chasing miracle gadgets or expensive upgrades. It's about eliminating the small losses that quietly add up after year. And clean panels, better airflow, smart monitoring, proper wiring, careful shading, control, and optimized tilt and cooler inverters, and the healthy batteries, and regular inspections, and smarter energy usage all work together to improve real world performance. And none of these hacks are magic on their own, but combined, they can recover a meaningful amount of lost production while expanding and extending the lifespan of your entire solar system. And if your goal is getting every possible watt from your investment, consistency beats the complexity every single time. Thanks for watching, and if you liked today's video, please subscribe. I'd appreciate it. We're looking to grow this channel, and without you, we can't do it. So thanks for doing that, and we will see you guys on Monday. Have a good night.